Okay, so we got a bit of a predicament here. New valve. This is too high. And then if it's on all the way, it just splatters. So we're gonna lower this about to right here. Just held on by a couple of set screws.
Yeah.
Still kind of. All right. So basically, it's a shower valve.
Kinda.
Yeah.
So this is our hard part because this is our cold and this is our hot. Cold and hot.
Where does it say cold and?
It says cold.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't say hot on it, but yeah, it does. It says hot right here.
Oof.
So that's the cold on this side. But a little bit of a good thing is we want to be over here a little bit more because this is the center of the spout. But we got no backing now.
So, okay. So the temperature is right there and then, okay.
Yeah. See something. No, maybe I just...
There you go.
with the old.
Okay, so what's the issue we're facing now?
Or our valve has to be inside the drywall.
Oh, I see. Yeah. I see. Yeah, it's barely just peeking out. Huh?
I mean, we need to go in about a half an inch or something,
but
quarter inch or something.
I don't know, man, because the discussion's going to be like that. Nobody's going to see anything. You know what I mean? Because that discussion's going to cover everything up.
Yeah.
No?
No, because it's, well, maybe a little. It's going to be just so perfect.
So we're trying to avoid seeing that brass like that.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. So we're running into an issue with being able to support the valve here. So we drilled a pilot hole. We're going to have to open up the drywall on the other side. Going to be about right here. We just got to get some blocks in there and be able to secure them. Okay, so we just put a nice little 2x4 in there, and sticking out a little bit of the drywall, but that's in there. And we have another little board to bring it out just a little bit. But Rich has a guy that will be able to make this nice and flush. So, but that's what you want for these wall mount faucets and whatnot.
That's okay. Yeah, I'm going to get that to work.
All right.
Okay. The other dude I watched says it, and they all say it.
Really? Looks good. Okay, so we got the piece sticking in from the valve. Haven't pressed it yet.
You're good.
And then
Right there.
it's perfect. Lines up perfectly. There you go. Perfect fit. Perfect fit. Okay, I'm gonna clean all this up now. It's nice. It's really smooth too. I like it, man. It's a California Faucets.